Lisa and Alex. A round of applause for them.
My family and I are humbled to have the opportunity to serve as stewards of this beloved community asset and usher it into the next era of incredible success. Our goal for the future for the Thorns is simple: to be the best, globally #1, the best franchise of women's soccer in the world.
As mayor, I will stand with you and I will support you through thick and thin, and we will do whatever needs to get done to realize that vision of #1 in the world. We'll be there.
We're just so excited to have you as part of the NWSL ecosystem, to help us redefine the future, to lift the lid on what's possible in women's sports.
And I think for us as players, that is so exciting to hear and to be a part of. And I just can't wait to see what we're going to write in this chapter that is being written now. And so we're so grateful to have you guys, and we can't wait to get started.